Hi, this is Andre from Lime Hosting and Website Revamp. And what I do is I do hosting where people build websites. I host it for them, and I do a bit of websites, and I do IT, and I save my customers money. In fact, you see this little bit, this can save you R1,000. But anyway, the reason I want to talk to you guys is basically what I've got here. I got this email that gave me a wake-up call. Now, I'm not trying to sell these products. My IT comes with a service, and the products is at cost price. I'm not trying to make money out of the products. I just provide the service. But these products, as I can tell you now, as I am talking, are being sold 3 terabytes and 4 terabytes. Wonderful prices. Only one problem: they won't work on my computer, and most likely not on yours. In fact, 98% of computers today will not support these new hard drives. And you might think that this doesn't affect you, but most people will be running out of hard drive space in the next 6 months to a year if you don't upgrade your hard drive. So what you gonna do? Are you gonna upgrade your hard drive when you can't? It means that you have to act now. Look into the future and act now. And I have compiled this, how this actually works. The new technology is out. It is called UEFI, and I got some compilation. This is from Wikipedia and Microsoft and whatever. It stands for Extensive Firmware Interface, and what it does, it is basically replacing the BIOS on the new motherboards. You can still choose if you want to use UEFI or BIOS, but how does it affect you? It's because your computer is running most likely on a BIOS system that will not support hard drives bigger than 2 gig. And if you don't upgrade now, you're going to end up upgrading in the future when nobody's going to really want your computer because it's not on the UEFI system, and you'll get nothing for your computer. It's not just a matter of upgrading your motherboard. If you upgrade your motherboard, most likely you need to upgrade your chip, and most likely the memory. So it's like buying a whole new computer. This is what's going to happen. People are going to get stuck with computers, going to be battling to sell their computers, and they will get next to nothing for it. I'm telling you this. I can see what the future is holding in for this because I'm being involved in this stuff. The good news is that UEFI will support hard drives that are much bigger than 2 terabyte. In fact, let's look here. 9.4 thousand billion terabytes. So it will be here for a very long time. At least the next 10 to 20 years we will be using UEFI. Yes. What do we call this? Okay, anyway. What I need to tell you is that, bottom line, you have to start thinking about upgrading your computer. And if you haven't done so, then you must be aware that you'll be losing money when you try and sell your computer later. As I said, these hard drives are already being sold right now as I speak, 3 tera and 4 tera, but they will not work on your computers. The highest you can buy is 2 tera, and it's a matter of months. These 2 teras will just become obsolete eventually. You won't even get 2 tera or 1 tera. There will only be 3 and 4 terabytes in the shops to buy. It's like trying to buy a 20 what you call it, a 20 gig hard drive. Who's gonna sell a 20 gig hard drive today? And then also the other thing is the solid state hard drives that are coming out, which I'll discuss in the next video tutorial. But this is what I got to say. New equipment is coming out, new hardware for computers. It will affect everybody. And this is Andre from Lime Hosting and Website Revamp, and I hope you enjoy this conversation. If you want to get hold of me, just go to Lime Hosting, .co.za, and you can go to my contact details, or you can go to my Facebook page. I got 2 Facebook pages, Andre Besson and as well as Lime Hosting, and I'm on Twitter as well, that you will find on my webpage. And thanks for listening to me, and The next video tutorial I'll be discussing solid state hard drives. Thank you.